Transforming your treasured photos from standalone JPEGs into versatile PDF documents on your PC is simpler than you might think. First, locate your photo file on your computer. You can have one photo or many that you want to combine into a single PDF for this tutorial. We'll assume you have your photo saved in a clear and accessible folder. Now, with your photo file selected, you can double-click to open it to confirm it's the correct one. We're going to prepare it for conversion. Make sure the photo is displayed on your screen. The easiest way to convert a photo to PDF without any extra software is to use your PC's built-in printing functionality. Look for the Print option. This is commonly found in the menu bar at the top of the application window, often represented by a printer icon or the word Print. Once you click Print, a new window will appear. In this window, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Printer. This is where you'll select your PDF converter. Most modern Windows PCs have a virtual PDF printer installed by default, usually called Microsoft Print to PDF. Carefully select Microsoft Print to PDF. From the list of available printers, this tells your computer to create a PDF file instead of sending the image to a physical printer. Now, you might want to adjust some settings. You can choose the orientation portrait or landscape to best fit your photo. You can also select the paper size, pages per sheet if you're converting multiple photos, and even the margins. Once you're happy with your settings, locate and click the Print button. This will prompt you to save your new PDF file. A Save As window will pop up here. You'll give your PDF a descriptive name, something like Vacation Photo or Family Portrait. Then, choose the location on your PC where you want to save this new PDF document. Click Save to finalize the conversion. And there you have it. Your photo is now a PDF, ready to be easily shared, printed with consistent formatting, or archived for safekeeping. It's a simple yet powerful way to manage your image files.